Hey all, it's Hannah from WTI. Now, I'm no makeup artist, just a regular girl with regular makeup skills, but this is one of my favorite things to have in my collection. It's the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. I love this because it's so easy to use, it's creamy, it goes on so easily. I like to use it to line my waterline, to put a little brightness in the corners of my eyes after a long day before I head out because it makes my eyes pop and look like I'm awake. I love to even use this as an eyeshadow primer. You can rub it on your eyes, blend it in, and then put your favorite color over it, and it really makes it pop. It's also great to use as a highlighter, and I think it gives a really natural, pretty shine without being too over the top. So whether you have tried NYX products before or not, this one is one of my favorites. It comes in a lot of different colors, but this one I highly recommend adding to your collection first. And that is my point of view.